With you, Rahima Ellis down there covering those commemorations. Thank you for that. For all of you right now, we're going to take a break. We're going to go right to NBC News, a special report hosted by my colleague Lester Holt. Let's take a listen. He's got some more information on Secretary Clinton. Here's Lester.
This is an NBC News special report. Here's Lester Holt.
We're back with an update about Hillary Clinton, who left the 9/11 memorial service in New York this morning early after, according to her campaign, becoming overheated. She went to her daughter's apartment and has just left in front of the cameras. Our Kristen Welker is there. Kristen, how does she look?
Well, Lester, she left Chelsea's apartment. She looked like she was feeling fine. We asked her how she was feeling. She says she's feeling better, and we did get the first glimpse of her after this incident in which she left the 9/11 memorial early. Take a look.
Are you feeling better?
Yes, thank you very much. Thanks, everybody.
Now, here's the official word from the campaign, Lester. In a statement, Nick Merrill says, quote, Secretary Clinton attended the September 11th commemoration ceremony for just an hour and 30 minutes this morning to pay her respects and greet some of the families of the fallen. During the ceremony, she felt overheated, so departed to get to her daughter's apartment and is feeling much better. Now, we also shouted questions at her and asked her what happened. She didn't respond to those questions. Instead, she said, it's a beautiful day in New York. She even took a few moments to talk to a small child who was here. So she did leave. No word on where she's heading right now. A little bit of broader context here. As you know, Lester, as we've been reporting on, Republicans have been trying to argue that Secretary Clinton is not in good health. Some conspiracy theories swirling about that. The campaign has pushed back against that. Secretary Clinton's physician has said that is not the case, that she is in fine health. We have seen her at times have a few coughing fits. She says that's just seasonal allergies, and her physician says nothing more than that. There is no doubt, though, that the timing of this is unwelcome from the perspective of the campaign because it will feed into those who would like to make hay of that issue. But again, Secretary Clinton left daughter Chelsea's apartment just moments ago, said she is feeling much better after having left the 9/11 memorial a little early.
All right,
Lester.
Kristen Welker in New York. Kristen, thanks very much. There'll be more on this tonight on NBC Nightly News. For now, I'm Lester Holt in New York. Good day, everyone.
All right, everyone. Again, I'm Alex Witt here at MSNBC World Headquarters as we continue our coverage of this incident, which happened nearly 2.5 hours ago.